Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel, Kema Reaction. So CNCO decided to drop their official first music video after Joel left the group. This is a music video to this song Tua La Noche. Someone messaged me like a couple hours ago. It's like, oh my god, I reacted to it. And I was like, you know what, let me get this out of the way. So I'm curious to see what it's gonna be. Oh, this is so K-pop-ish.
Look
at him. His voice sounds so good. Oh, that's Chris? What? Oh, Zabdia looks so good. I am gagging. Chris sounds really good on this song. He sounds really good at song. Wow. My Puerto Rican daddy. Come on, Richard. Show that body. Is that dreads in the back, sir? It is dreads in the back. Ciencia, oh. Okay, this was a very cute, fun video. I liked it. Their voices sounds a little bit more mature, vocally speaking. They sound really good. In this song, I would say Chris surprised me. Chris surprised me really. He really surprised me on this song. He sounds really good. Visually speaking, everything was cute. You remind me so much of K-pop, because in K-pop right now, it's like there's always a moon in the background. So it reminded me of K-pop mixed with their Latin pop, mixed with US pop, and everything together infused in this music video. So I really do like it. Compared to the Deja Vu project, I think this video is a little basic compared to that video, but I can understand this video. This is a fun video. This is nothing too hard felt to me, the video, but it was cute. It's a very good, nice song. This is another hit for this group. These songs are not a hit for this group, but like I said before, I think this is their first release single and music video after Joel left the group. So I'm curious to see what else going to be giving us. So I like this, guys. Well done, well done. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this music video. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Bye.